Hello, thank you for looking at our video. What you have before you here today is a 1994 Telco motion figure. It is a sleeping, snoring, whistling Santa sitting in his chair, probably on Christmas Day after a hard day's night. He is electrical and he's controlled by a switch on the cord, and when it's on, which it is right now, you'll see that his stomach or chest rises as he's breathing. He has a quiet motor, a little bit of noise, which is common for motion figures. Here's his tag. He's sitting in his chair, his hat's draping over. He's got a nice little blanket, which has, I don't know, a little mark here. I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's a slight mark. Not sure what that's from. Barefoot. Tag still attached after all these years. There is also another feature to him, besides his chest moving up and down, is that he also snores and whistles. And that is controlled by a volume control dial that's here in the front of the chair. What I'll do is turn that on, you can listen to him. Thank you very much for watching our video. Hope you have a Merry Christmas.